We are in Venice, Italy, and I wanted to show you our place. We are actually on an island just outside of Venice, Italy called Lido di Venezia, and it is part of Venice. We were able to get on one of the water taxis in Venice and easily get to the island. James is able to ride on the water buses that go around town. So he was able to ride with us and he doesn't need a ticket. They just told us he had to wear a muzzle. So he has his muzzle. There are other dogs. The other dogs didn't have their muzzles. But I want to give you a tour of our place. Like that nice cool terrazzo tile. So this is our place. A nice big window. A couple of couches in here in the living room. Now this is the kitchen. View out of the kitchen window. And coming out of the kitchen, back into the living room. There's the front door. James is over there checking out stuff. Here is the master bedroom. There's the view. And straight through there, all those little huts you see, that is the beach. The beach is right there. Nice big master bedroom, lots of closet space. Bathroom. Nice little shower. And here is the other bedroom. Some bunk beds, a little desk, and more closet space. I'll show you out these windows too. Really nice. It definitely has a beach feel. Nice little garden out here. Nice little place to sit and eat and get some work done. Oh, look how cute. This has already put James's blanket on the couch. That's really nice. He's following you looking for food, I think.
You definitely want some food.
I want some food. You ready to eat our sandwiches?